Hey, Crypto Scholars! Welcome back to the Crypto Scholar channel. Today, we're diving into a project that's creating quite a buzz in the crypto space, Nutcoin, because, everything's nuts in this realityverse. Let's explore what makes $NUT unique and how you can be a part of this meme universe. Disclaimer.
The content shared on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and our views should not be taken as professional advice. Cryptocurrency investments are risky and can result in losses. Always do your own research and consult with experts before making any financial decisions. We are not liable for any losses you may incur based on the information from this channel.
In this new meme era, Nutcoin is on a mission to build the biggest community ever seen in the cryptosphere. What sets them apart? Well, there was no pre-sale, no taxes, no contract owner, 100% of LP tokens burnt, and the entire token supply is locked to the Uniswap pool. It's all about community, bidling, and hodling for the NUTArmy. Now you might be wondering, how can you get your hands on some $NUT? It's as easy as following these steps. Create a wallet, choose your favorite Ethereum wallet, whether it's MetaMask, IO, Frame.sh, and Crypoint.com, or another one. Follow the wallet's official website instructions to create and secure your wallet. Get some ETH. If you don't have ETH in your wallet already, you can buy it from your favorite decentralized exchange. Check out ethereum.org/and/get-eth for more information. Transfer ETH to your wallet. Go to Uniswap, head to app.uniswap.org and connect your wallet. Paste the $NUT token address into Uniswap, select Nutcoin, and confirm the transaction when prompted to sign. Swap ETH for $NUT. Once connected, swap your ETH for $NUT. Keep in mind there are no extra fees or taxes for the token contract owner because, well, there is no owner. Now, let's talk about the numbers. The token supply for $NUT is capped at 21 trillion, and yes, you heard it right, 100% of the token supply is in the Uniswap pool, with liquidity locked forever. Nuts but true. Nutcoin has an exciting roadmap ahead, Phase 0. Making of a nut checklist with cute animal pictures, a trillion token supply, a logo created in less than 10 minutes, and a supply capped by the holy number 21 foot. Phase 1. Join the NUTArmy community, be a part of building the biggest community in the cryptosphere. Phase 2. Enter into the Nuttyverse, explore the unique Nuttyverse created by the NUTArmy. Phase 3. Save the nuts, save the world, because, in the Nutcoin world, we're on a mission to save the nuts and, in turn, save the world. For more information and to join the Nutcoin community, check out their Twitter and Telegram. Links are in the description below. As always, do your own research before diving into any project. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, stay curious, Crypto Scholars.